Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. I did a video on this just yesterday, and I started thinking, man, it'd really be cool to make that. It does kind of look like a spear now that I, look at it really close. But if we take this and see, that's what I did. If you didn't catch on yesterday, but that's like an 8-inch circle. So let's make an 8-inch circle. That's a little bit big. That's good enough. Bring it into a group of stars. Doesn't really matter. Then go up to Fix and Lens and go here and pick Fisheye. And then you can change that quite a bit, but then hit Frozen and then move that out of the way. And then I'm going to right click No Outline, and we're going to put this in that group. Now it's in front of the deal, so we need to actually take our whole box and put it to the back of the page, which it probably already is. Take this one and put it to the front of the, well, it's already in the front of the page. Let's just put our ball there. It's a little bit confusing sometimes, but let's go to Object, Order, Back of Page, but see that put it behind everything. Let's grab our big box, and you can tell, and go to Object, Order, Front of Page, and then put this to the very back. And there's a way to do this with page down and page up, and but by the time you figure out what you need to do, and then you can move this wherever you want it. And it really makes it look like a ball that's inside there. Much like that did, but this way it really kind of, and you could use, you don't have to use stars. You could use anything, and it makes it look like it's actually a round object. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.